Hey meal preppers, Paul coming at you with lunch today. And if you're looking for some healthy and exciting recipes, guys, download our app. We're always bringing creative new stuff here for you to taste. Like today, I've got a banh mi pork rice bowl. And banh mi pork, it's a Vietnamese flavor. It's nice and sweet. It's got some brown sugar in the marinade along with some soy sauce. It's a phenomenal flavor. So I've got pork loin here that I grilled on the grill. And some brown rice, and then cut cucumber and some cilantro and some carrot. But what's really great is that while you're waiting for that meat to cook, you can whip up this awesome little pickled carrots and radish in here, a little bit of a red onion, and this is going to be a phenomenal garnish right on top of this. And if that wasn't enough, I made some Greek yogurt with sriracha and soy sauce. So easy stuff to make. When you let the meat marinate, you can get the rice started. Once the meat's cooking, you can get this pickling. It only takes about maybe a couple hours for this to pickle. And gosh, you got a great meal. Make your coworkers jealous. Try it out in the app this week. It's coming out Thursday. Hope you guys have a great week. Thanks. Take care.